Hi, in this video we will create the bar chart for the confirmed death cases, and as we have seen in the previous task we have done. First we have created the bar chart, and also we have created the map chart for the confirmed cases. So here we can see our map chart, and here is the bar chart. And first we will see how to do formatting in the bar chart, and next we will create the bar chart for the confirmed death. So this is the bar chart for the confirmed cases. So as we have seen, as you can see here, the US has the highest number of cases, and now we will do a little bit formatting here. So as you can see here, there is the uh, y-axis. We can simply by right clicking here and remove the show header. And now we can see here there is the lines in between the bars. We can also remove these lines. So right click on the chart, click on format, and there is the in the last option, click here, and in the first option we can see there is a grid line. Click on this drop down and select none, and so we can see here the lines has been removed. And here is the color portion. We can simply select the color, background color, and also uh, here is the so click on sheet. After that, clicking on this folder, click on this icon. Next thing you have to do this, click on this sheet, and here we can see here there is the default is white color. You can select also black color and red or green, anything. So I'm going to take only the white color, and this is the and here we can see the one thing. After clicking on black, we can see here's the line, white line. We can also remove this line by simply click on the grid line here, zero line, click on none, and also axis trick. So we can see here now the line also has been removed from the x-axis and the y-axis. So, and also in the color portion, in the color chart, we can also simply select decrease the background uh, brightness. So here is the light black, a little bit light, and also I'm gonna edit the color of the title. So here I'll take the white. So this is how we can do some formatting, uh, and also here is the so for the next task we are going to create the bar chart for the confirmed deaths. So in order to do that, we have simply right click on this bar and click on this duplicate. So after clicking on duplicate, we can see there's a same chart has been created again. So in this case, I'm gonna take the confirmed death only. So click on this drop down, edit filter, and take the death and remove the confirm. Click on apply and OK. So this is the bar chart for the confirmed death cases, and here is the for only for confirmed cases. So this was pretty easy to do that, and here we can simply edit the title. Click on apply and OK. So this is the third task, and in the next video we will see how to create the ban for the confirmed cases and the confirmed death cases. Thank you.